Open the box. These are the components. Take out the desk clamp base. Its position can be adjusted up or down according to the thickness of the table or desk. Fasten set screw with a 2.5mm Allen wrench into the arm support block in order to lock the height. Insert arm support block into the tube of clamp base. The wider diameter of block is facing up. Uninstall the stand from the monitor. Insert adjustable arm axle sleeve into the hole of the arm set. With one hand holding one corner of the monitor off the desk, have the other hand press the hole of the arm set to prevent the arm axle sleeve from falling. Insert into the tube of the clamp base. Route the cable into the cover. Fasten arm set and clamp base with an Allen wrench. After finishing installation, adjust the spring tension block to suit the weight of your monitor. Turn the block toward H for heavy monitors and L for light monitors. This is the grommet base. These are the components. Now, uninstall the stand from the iMac. Lift the stand up to its highest point. Insert a white card at a slight upward angle until you feel the latch move. With the card in the slot, lower the stand until it is as far down as it can go. Disassemble the screws. Install the monitor mounting plate. The full motion design of the product meets users' ergonomic needs. Furthermore, various colors are available to meet your preferences and needs. The adjustable and multi-directional monitor mounts are easy to install and use. They also allow you to arrange your monitors in any way you want.